Here's your first look at a first off the line box of Panini Recon, and Recon's not the most popular basketball product. We'd actually probably consider it near the floor of basketball brand popularity, but it was a very good buy this year. As we wrote in our review for CardLines.com, the first off the line boxes started at $500 as a Dutch auction, but the floor on them was actually $250. And how do we know that? Because we bought some. So to celebrate the good buy, we ripped one as a live stream, and we want to share the results with you. This is a really good box, and if you could pick up a first off the line box at an affordable price, it would be something that you could consider ripping too. I think it's actually a pretty low risk rip because of everything inside. And what is inside, you may ask? First off the line boxes, the two big differences are they have 2 bonus first off the line exclusive parallels numbered to 12 or less, or 1 bonus first off the line exclusive parallel numbered to 12 or less, and 1 bonus first off the line exclusive autograph numbered to 18 or less. So you're either getting 2 base numbered to 12 or a base number to 12 and an autograph to 18 or less per box. You don't necessarily want the autograph because you'd rather this card be Wimby. And also, this is a bit of a spoiler, but we did hit one of these contour cards while we were ripping them, and it didn't necessarily get the reaction it deserved because, quite frankly, we didn't know it was an SSP, but this is the ultra rare case hit. So when that comes up, just know that that's a big card. I know you're actually here to see the break, so I'm going to get you to that, but if you want to learn more about Recon, be sure to check out our full review on CardLines.com. Alright, here's your first look.
What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing tonight? It's a Thursday night, April 25th. We've got a special break here for CardLines. We've got a first look at 2023-2024 NBA Recon. First off the line hobby box. We're going to have 10 packs in this box. 6 cards per pack. We should see 2 autographs in there and 20 inserts or parallels. There's lots of different color variations and a number of great inserts, as Panini and NBA cards are always known for. Of course, hit my camera there. Of course, big name rookies and number 1 rookie Victor Wembanyama. He does not have an autograph in the checklist, but we can still pull Victor's. So audio sounds good. Great. Pictures on. Fantastic. Okay, let me get need to get that off screen. Okay, the team stuff.
Yeah, we're good.
There we go. All right, everything's looking good. Do we have additional way to broadcast here that we're live? If anyone wanted to join us. All right, so we're just doing a little sound testing and making sure everything's good here as we're finishing up our evening breaks for the night, and then we're gonna get started here for the first look. Hey, D-Mac's back in. D-Mac, thanks for joining back in, man. Appreciate it. Glad everything's sounding good. I wish we knew what that lag was, and we'll see if we can find anyone else, or anyone else can find their way back to us. But we're going to go ahead here and give it 1 second and sort of restart. So from an audio perspective, we've got a nice, fresh start here to the first look. I don't know what it was, but... Alright, here we go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, guys. Welcome back. We're still going here on this Thursday evening, and as promised, we've got a first look for you all of NBA Recon first off the line. It's a hobby box. We're going to get 60 cards out of here. Should get a couple autographs and 20 or so parallels as advertised on here. Our mission is always to try and make the hobby available to you guys and give you a sign of all the fresh releases coming out. So we are excited to do this Recon hobby first look for you. This is a CardLines exclusive break of 23-24 Recon First off the line, sweet looking pitcher Chet Holmgren as it opens up. Our pack cover boy. And as we get our packs out here, there's our empty box. I'm going to go ahead and set that guy back there. If I can leave that pitcher up there looking sweet. And here we go. First pack in. Our first look here at Recon. We've got Drew Holiday for the Boston Celtics. James Wiseman for the Pistons. Malik Monk for the Kings. And we've got a refractor of Aaron Gordon for the Denver Nuggets. So, Recon, a somewhat thicker stock card. Pretty cool looking graphics on it. Kind of maybe a little bit of a throwback to 90s skyboxes, but also very much the modern, thicker, sort of chrome refractor type of look. Here is our first colored insert that's going to be numbered. It's going to be 70 of 75. Kevin Durant. Kevin Durant to 75. And the pack's going to finish with Leonard Miller, rookie for the Minnesota Timberwolves. The Timberwolves pulling the number 2 or 3 seed, I think, in the West, seeing if they can make a run at Denver. This pack is extremely thick, so I think we're going to get some kind of a mem card or maybe RPA on here. We're going to start with Patrick Beverley in his Bucks uniform. So this set is definitely updated to have Patrick Beverley in there. We got Marcus Smart for the Grizzlies. D-Mac thinking they look like Doritos chips. Claxton for the Nets. And it is an RPA. It's going to be Noah Clowney, numbered 5 of 18. 5 of 18, Noah Clowney for the Brooklyn Nets. An RPA, a multicolored RPA patch with the auto for the Brooklyn Nets. Give you a look at that. Now we got all sleeved up. We got some kind of a sparkle here. Kind of a diamond refractor of Isaiah Joe from the Thunder. Not numbered. And a sweet insert, Anthony Edwards with the Recon Vector. Very cool looking card there. Anthony Edwards. So that second pack was a fire pack for sure. And there will not be Wemby auto in there. But we do have... Oh, there's another thicky one here. We might have a second RPA in here. We got Fred VanVleet. Jason Richardson for Miami. Michael Conley. Now we got our second autograph. It is going to be for the Blazers. It is Delano Benton for the Blazers with the archetype autograph. Very skybox looking in some ways. Congratulations and a great autograph. So the box advertises 2 autos. We've hit 2 autos pretty early here in the box. Let's see if we can maybe get a hot box and have more of that here. First off the lines are always great for a little extra. We've got a gold of rookie Hood Schifino from the Lakers of $2.99. Hood Schifino of the Lakers, gold to $2.99. If they had a red. Oh, there's a very cool card. World Travelers, Giannis Antetokounmpo passports. So if they had a red variation of this with that V on there, it's going to look just like the Spicy Nachos pack. Sweet looking Giannis Antetokounmpo World Travelers card. Our next pack, we got Norman Powell for the Clippers. Brooke Lopez, defensive block machine for the Bucks. Kevin Huerter for the Kings. Kenyon Martin Jr. with the gold numbered 216 of 299 for the Sixers. 299 for the Sixers. We've got another vector insert. It is going to be rookie Asar Thompson for Detroit. That is a great rookie hit. The Thompson brothers didn't quite have that great of a year, but still some of the better rookies. So Asar Thompson, very nice vector rookie for the Pistons. And that pack's going to finish with a Rupert rookie for Portland. Rayon Rupert for Portland. Our next pack, we're going to get a Kentrell Caldwell Pope for the Nuggets. White for Boston. Porzingis for Boston. And we've got a gold that is it's like a vortex. The gold vortex of Gabe Vincent. 9 out of just 12 with the gold vortex Gabe Vincent. Gabe Vincent for the Lakers. 9 of 12, guys. Great hit. For the Magic, taking a big one on the Cavs tonight, it's Paolo Ranchero. And our next insert, Rock the Rim. It is Victor.
Hey.
Wembanyama Rock the Rim rookie card. When we were offering this as a rip and ship, you guys should have bought this pack. This was your hit. There it is, guys. There's a Victor Wembanyama Rock the Rim insert. Take a moment. Soak it in. Beautiful card. Great, great hit for Recon. First off the line. Fantastic box. Let's keep them going. That is not all the Victors that we can get. We got Sengun for the Rockets. Sadiq Bey. Al Horford for the Celtics. Bam Adebayo for Miami. We've got a numbered card, Moritz Wagner, 80 out of 199. And there's your spicy nachos insert DMAC. Moritz Wagner out of 199 for the Magic. We've got another Rock the Rim. This time it's going to be Ja Morant from Memphis. Ja Morant with a Rock the Rim. Sweet looking insert there. Naz Reid for the Mavericks, or the Timberwolves, I'm sorry. Naz Reid for the Timberwolves. DeAndre Ayton for Portland. Jordan Poole for Washington. Sanguine again. This one's going to be low numbered though. It is 40 of 49. Sanguine, 40 of 49 with the Rockets. Alperin, Sanguine, 40 of 49. So lots of low numbers in here. What's up, J&B? We're doing a little first look rip of Recon. Future Legends, Tyrese Halliburton for the Indiana Pacers. They evened up the series with the Bucks Sunday night. Play again game 3 tomorrow, I believe. We've got one of those vaulted spacer cards. And we've got Vezenkov, rookie for the Kings. Couple more packs here in this first look of this first off the line box. We did get a Victor Wembanyama, a Cam Reddish for the Lakers, RJ Barrett for the Raptors, PJ Washington Jr. for the Mavericks. Here's a new insert. It's going to be Zion Williamson. Zion Williamson with these silver diamonds, contours. Sweet looking contours card. Coutinho Mobley for the Cavs. And then we've got Future Legends Grady Dick with the rookie Recon Future Legends. Shout out to James J and his love of Grady Dick. Two more packs in this first off the line box, guys. Caleb Martin from Miami. Devin Vassell for San Antonio. Jaren Jackson Jr. for the Grizzlies. We've got a redemption. We've got a redemption. But first, we're going to get to the rest of them. We got a Jalen Slauson, rookie for the Kings. A Utah Jazz, rookie Hendricks. Taylor Hendricks, rookie Recon for the Jazz. And our redemption, guys, it's going to be from this year, of course, 2023, 2024. So we can get that. It's a rookie patch autograph, so we did get an extra autograph in here. It is card number 4, Andre Jackson Jr. from the Bucks. Andre Jackson Jr., rookie for the Milwaukee Bucks. Andre Jackson Jr. redemption autograph. So that is a third autograph out of the box. First off the line, bringing more than advertised. And our last box pack, of course, has a spacer in it. We've got Matisse Thybulle, Spencer Dinwiddie for the Lakers, Jamal Murray for Denver, Bennett Mathurin for the Pacers, Cole Anthony for the Magic, a Vector Amen Thompson. Took me for a second to be able to see. So there is an Amen. We got an Osor, and now we got an Amen. So for the Rockets, rookie Amen Thompson on the Vector is gonna. I know I've been watching too much, and then we got a big old fat spacer out of that. So Amen Thompson finishing that off. So first off the line preview, guys, we got Jazz rookie Zion Contours, Sengun /49, Rock the Rim Morant, Moritz Wagner /499, Osar Thompson Vector, and Amen Thompson, Kenyon Martin /299, Hood Schifino /299, the Blazers autograph of Barton, Anthony Edwards Vector, the Noah Clowney RPA, Kevin Durant /75, Grady Dick, a bunch of other good rookies, and then we had a redemption for Andre Jackson Jr. for the Bucks. We had the Gabe Vincent Vortex /12, and of course, what we have to consider the box hit, the Victor Wembanyama Rock the Rim. So 3 autos, extra auto, first of the line box, looking great.
3 autos and a Wemby.
Great first look at that. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Please go to CardLines.com and check out all the other great content. Check out our breaks that we have on eBay going live Tuesday and Thursday nights. And continue to hang out with us. We appreciate you all so much. Hope you guys have a fantastic evening. Take care of yourselves.